he's right there. He's right there. Look at him. Look at this.
Oh my God! Is that him in the Balenciaga?
Yes, that's it. That's him. Look at this little goyim owes me $20,000. He's walking around with Balenciagas.
Judy, he's disrespecting you.
You know what?
If I owe $20,000, I'd pay right away. He's over here. He's talking shit on the podcast.
This guy's, you know what?
He's over here. He might as well be putting ham and cheese together. I'm disrespect to the culture.
I'm schwitzing right now. You know what I'm going to do?
You know you've done so much for the temple, for the synagogue.
I know.
He mocked your kayak.
Look.
He mocked your kayak. Look at him.
Look at him.
Is he eating Chick-fil-A?
He's just sitting there. He's just sitting there in his car.
My God.
Can you believe this?
Look at him. He has the Jesus piece on it.
Again?
Just banged glass tables. He's making me for clump.
Listen, it just drives me up the wall. You know what?
Just drive around.
Pass
drive around.
Yeah.
Pass me the Kanish.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit him right on his helmet toucher.
This nigga.
Yeah. Give me that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, open the window.
I'm gonna burn the bread on this nigga.
Open the window. Yeah.
Hey, Joel!
Yeah.
What's poppin'?
Oh, hey, Judy, what's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey.
How you feeling today?
I'm alright. What you doing? What you up to?
Oh, nothing,
Good?
you know. Pockets feeling, I don't know, 20K lighter.
Oh, shit. Oh, why you reaching? What? Oh, damn! Oh, shit! Take that, you fucking goy!
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
If she ever hears this, you are fucked. You are fucked. It's not gonna be mad. You just be like, yo, it's entertainment.
She'll be all confused, like, I don't get it.
It's like when my family hears stuff about, they're like, that's like not how it happened. I was like, well, I had to edit it.
Yeah, come on.
Like I had to, I had to make myself look good.
Excuse me.
All right, what's going on? Episode 147, 147, dog. Of the most dangerous podcast in the world, hosted by who? Jesus Nights and
the Kid Mero, motherfucker.
Should we do the AKAs in the beginning?
You know what I'm saying? No, fuck out of here.
That's right. Coming to you live
to the shit.
from the Jam Room in Milk Studios.
Jamming.
Sponsored by who?
You know what I'm saying? Cash App.
Thank you, Cash App, for providing us the wings to make another podcast.
You
a lot of things happening this week.
Word. A lot
of things, Judy shooting at you.
You know what I'm saying? She's trying to heat me, twin.
Yes, I'm glad she's still alive. Even though it seems the Bodega Boys is riding with Judy, they feel you are in the wrong. They feel like you better pay what you owe, nigga. For Judy put that thing to you.
Pay like you waiting, nigga.
All right, put that thing to you, arm, leg.
Get it how you live, nigga.
Oh, man. Nigga nervous. Nigga can't stop at a red light in Jersey.
I'm like, oh, shit. This is right on red. Fuck it. But take it.
You very happy that you can't pump your own gas in Jersey. Not trying to get doomed out here.
Get godfathered out in the gas station.
Oh, man. British citizen 21 Savage is out of jail.
Yes.
I thought when he got out we'd be able to do the memes and shit, but shit's not funny.
Yeah, nah.
Damn.
They had you, man, under incarceration.
They really sucked all the joy out of that.
Yeah,
we could have done like a Peppa Pig 21 Savage crossover.
It would have been lit, but then they fucked it up.
Now you gotta like be fuck Ice.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, fuck them. You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, I might not be here.
Who, you? Police in the building.
Yo, P in the building.
You know how it is.
The wave god.
Yo, got the do-rag on. You know what it is.
Oh, shit.
Right here.
We lit. You know what I'm saying? Waves
Black History Month do-rag.
Waves is spinning like me after a bottle of Brugal.
Yeah. We gotta do a new Black History Month because this Black History Month is canceled. This shit been trashed, though.
Yeah, it has been.
They jumped the nigga from Empire.
Yeah, they jumped homie from Empire. LeBron played like 3 games out of the month.
Every white person doing blackface.
It's crazy.
It's like Gucci released a blackface turtleneck. Nigga, like, why y'all? It's Black History Month. Like, it's the littlest month. It's the tiniest month.
Let's just see what they do. Let's put it. Let's see.
Les Savage Negroes. Oh, look, it's a black Twitter boycott. The Floyd Mayweather, meanwhile, is like, yo, I'm buying all the Gucci, nigga.
I'm like, yo, that turtleneck will go over your head, nigga, like a Bape hoodie.
Damn.
Stop playing, bro.
Floyd
you gotta go in the kids
Mayweather's
section.
not Kaepernick. I mean,
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Floyd Mayweather's not out here with the Black Lives Matter flag.
no, not at all. He's by his money, man.
He's
by
like,
his money,
matter of fact,
man.
I knock out black people most of the time.
Fuck
so
that.
fuck that.
You know what I'm saying?
So
Nigga just walk through our wall slurs and shit. Like,
Yeah.
except when I knocked out that motherfucking thing. Beep.
are you boycotting Gucci?
Yeah, I'm boycotting Gucci because our accountant told me to.
Real shit. Real shit. Oh man.
My accountant was like, yo, fam, you can't
wanna relax?
Even with the wall relax.
The man was like, yo.
He's like, yo, 10K a month, my nigga, for real? And Gucci, you working?
Damn, Gucci store.
You wildin'. You wildin'. You need to chill. I'm like, all right, I got you.
I ain't no more Gucci. You need to go to, there's a great store on, it's called Dollar King.
Oh, yes.
On 138th Street. Yeah, check
Yeah,
that out.
Dollar King. Yeah,
Dollar
it's
King.
lit. Yeah.
I went in there. I was like, yo, these products is like not even shit people want.
No.
Like, this is
I'm
like
fam,
why don't we want like a potpourri holder?
Like, what is this? What is it? Like a hat rack that's made out of like hangers? Like, I don't understand this.
And I went
What
there on
is it
some
used to
bougie shit. I was like, yo, you got like an iPhone charger? They were like,
Fam.
they was like, nigga,
This Dollar King.
we all share one OmniPoint. These don't got no iPhone chargers.
Yo, they got the fucking gas station Android charger. They're
Yes.
like, yo, that's the technology aisle.
If you can buy an iPhone charger in your neighborhood is not like you're good. You're not gentrified yet.
Yeah,
my
no,
neighborhood
no.
is very not gentrified.
Fam.
There'll be moments in there I'll be like, y'all niggas serious? Y'all don't got tomatoes?
They're like, what?
They're like, what?
Are you serious?
Yo, this nigga want exotic fruit. I'm like,
Oh, man. Tomatoes are exotic now?
you know what? They're hard to like preserve and shit. I think they might have them locked up behind the cash register and shit with like the fucking baby formula and the Red Bull.
Yo, I bought some bougie shit. I bought organic tomatoes, bro, and I was like, I can
You
actually
taste the difference?
I can actually taste the difference.
I don't fuck with organic tomatoes because it's so fresh to remind me of VeggieTales, and I don't want them like telling me the wild Christian story and shit.
Yo, I didn't even peep. Yo, that shit is wild. Like
That shit is wild biblical.
Yeah, I was
You gotta
like,
watch it, man.
I was like, what the fuck? I just thought, my kids were like, yo, that looks cool. I'll
God
talk
be
to
creeping
cucumber.
up on niggas.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
and
gotta stay
cucumber just
open.
be like, yo, homosexuality is a sin. I'm like, what the fuck?
They be like, hooray! Like, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Hey, kids. I'm Mr. Cucumber. Today we're going down to the valley to beat the sodomites to death. You're like,
What?
I'm like, what are you watching?
Yo,
Put Paw Patrol back on. Turn Paw Patrol on. The fucking police dogs.
So it's like, yo, stop resisting, stop resisting.
Law and Order Paw Patrol.
They drop the Dalmatian because they find out he's mixed. They're like, yo, you got to get out the clique, bro.
Oh, shit. There's like one detective that's a pit bull. He got past all the preconceived notions. Now he got to put on a good face for the other dogs.
That's right.
And show he's not one of them.
He's not one of the bad apples.
Law and Order Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol unit. Woof, woof.
The fucking fire. They arrest the firefighter dog because he's like an arsonist and shit. He's like, you know what it is?
He's starting all these fires
You
to
know
put them
what it
out.
is?
He wants to be a hero.
He's like, I had to be a good boy. I had to be a good boy.
I had to be a good dog.
I had to be a good dog.
I'm a good pupper.
I'm a good pupper. Pet me. He's like, you're sick.
Sick fuck.
You disgust me. He just starts licking his own genitals.
You're like, oh my god. Oh, you're exposing yourself. It's disgusting. So nigga dog shit in between the bars. Like, yo, go.
They're like, show me who burned down the house. And like, the fucking victim has to go sniff their buttholes.
Nah, that's not him. That's the guy right
That's
there.
him.
That's him.
Cuff him.
That's him. Cuff him. Yeah.
Wait, do dogs get 4 handcuffs?
They get yeah, they got to. I think it's like a square. No, they put them in 2 skippets. You know what I'm saying?
Skip it. Do you want to break the living shit out of your ankle? Don't want to skip it.
Don't want to skip it.
Also, the odometer and the skip it.
Nah, shit was off fugazi.
That shit was like a taxi cab meter. That shit was like, yeah, kind of sometimes.
I mean, I guess like your shit spun around 10 times. I don't know, nigga.
If skip it worked properly, we should have a whole generation of like really strong ankle
You know what I'm
American
saying?
kids, but
with
we
mad
don't.
balance and agility
Yeah.
and shit. But nah.
If your parents didn't buy you those shoes in East Bay with the platforms on it, so you jump higher,
Yeah, they failed you. They failed you.
You could have been
baby.
out here like Bionic Commando.
You know what I'm saying? You could have been dunking on motherfuckers like Spud Webb, bruh. You know what I'm saying?
How tall is Spud Webb?
He's like 5'5", dunking. I was like,
Webb.
that's incredible. I was like, if I ever seen a dude 5'5" dunk, I'd probably just leave the gym and never come back.
If he dunks on you, you gotta leave. He's 5'7". I was like,
Wow.
they really. Oh, Muggsy Bogues was 5'3".
Wow.
Wow.
Did he ever dunk?
Yeah.
Wow.
Was he in the dunk contest?
Nate Robinson was in the dunk contest, and he was like 5.
Yeah,
and he's
Muggsy
like
Bogues was in the
5'5".
dunk contest in
Oh shit!
1990.
Wow.
When Chubb Rock jumped up in the scene with a lean and a hardcore green.
Oh shit! Hey. Chips to power nuclear bombs, power my Sega.
It's true.
That bitch Kennedy back in '83.
Shout out to Troy, New York. Who's out there?
Troy,
a lot of black people out there.
Yeah, surprisingly.
I don't know. Are y'all trapped up there? Let us know.
Let us know. Is it like Get Out? Like, do you
we'll
need
come
help?
get you. We'll get like a Sprinter van. We can only take 5 at a time.
Yeah, we get the party bus Sprinter van with the Mercedes jet with all the lights in it.
Come on, black people. Come to freedom.
We're gonna pull up playing sicko mode. Jump in. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna keep it rolling. You gotta jump in.
BET Schindler's List.
It's like a hobo train, like where these niggas just jump on a moving freight train.
But instead of having actual lists, I just have like the notes app. I'm just like, yeah.
Ramik,
Tyrone Jenkins,
Jamel.
Got space in the back.
Okay.
That back seat full.
Yeah, y'all good? All right, bring Tamika in.
Okay, I see. She can ride in front. February 21st, 11 p.m.
That's right.
Then we'll show a late night return. You know what it is?
That's right.
Jesus and Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
We announce our special guest, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez.
That's right.
That's right. You know what it is?
I'm saying?
Boom.
Get ready, B.
We're coming for the corners, the late night corners.
We're ready for the smoke. You know what I'm saying? We want our corners back.
Also, by the time this drops, the discount code would have dropped for the Bodega Hive.
You know what I'm saying?
Be sure to cop Showtime on the low.
Enjoy that.
Showtime.
Okay. You know what I'm saying?
You can watch that. You can watch Billions. You can watch Black Monday.
All that shit.
Schmilf.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You haven't watched TV until you've seen Don Cheadle with a push broom mustache, B. You know what I'm saying? And a pound cake afro. You know what I'm saying? A little afro puff.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
I rock rough and stuff with my afro puff.
Hey, with your bad self.
Shout out to Lady Rage.
You know what I'm saying?
Remember she was on the Steve Harvey show? Remember that little?
Oh shit, that's right. Wasn't she Baby D also on Friday?
I believe so.
Yo, wow, shout out to her.
Shout out to Lady
Longevity.
Gotta keep moving.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta keep moving.
Elevate. Yo.
Shout out to our Knicks who finally won a game last night.
Hooray! When we don't want them to.
Well, I mean, they're at the point now, like, every team, because the options are what is this? Probability is the same.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, you can win one.
We'll see. People are saying we should go to the lottery. We should pull the envelope.
Listen, let's freeze the envelope and then.
But what if we pull the envelope and it's not like.
It's on number one pick?
Wait, they still do envelopes or is it like. It's like ping pong balls? No.
It's the ping pong balls, but then, you know.
Oh, but yeah, what if we pick the wrong tit and we don't get Zion? And we are chased and chastised around New York City and they're tar and feathering us.
Mad people were like, yo, trade the number one pick for Anthony Davis. But guess what? Anthony Davis just got hurt yesterday. So,
did he?
Yep.
Wow.
Like, nope.
Wow.
Not doing that. Not pulling the trigger on that shit. No way.
Wow.
Man's hurt his shoulder, some shit. I was like, nope. Not rolling the dice. Give me that fucking 6'9" bionic fucking.
When I watch Zion play, I turn into a white racist. I'm like, look at this black stud Negro.
This is a slave trader? What the fuck? Yo.
I'm making him jump up.
He's like, look at the vertical.
Look at the teeth.
He turned into Don Trump like, look at my African American over here. Look at him. Look how he can dunk.
Did you see him? He
plays
palmed the ball and was like partially deflated it.
Fam.
Come on,
fam.
baby.
Yo, he jumped up and blocked the shot. Yeah. When he blocked that shot on homie, oh my God.
Blocked his 3-point shot. Oh. Not at his hands, but almost at the top of the
card. At the top of the... Yo, fam.
But yo, listen.
That shit killed somebody in the stands.
And put that right in my fucking veins.
Yeah, I need it. Yeah.
I am the Knicks Michael Anthony.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Catch me in front of Madison Square Garden in a Charles Oakley jersey.
That's right. You
nodding.
I'm in there with the Scott Brooks jersey, like, yo, yeah, the replica shit with the plastic numbers, like,
I gotta sign it. Like, I just need money to get back to Staten Island.
That's all I need, bro.
It's $7.50 because I can't take the non-peak train. What do I look like, scum?
Come on, bro. Come on, dude. My teeth are falling out, bro. Come on, bro. My gut's hurt, bro.
When we took the Amtrak down to D.C., we definitely saw a lot of Michael Anthony.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to the Port Authority. Shout out to the Port Authority. Port Authority was like, yo, the trains come here. What are you going to do about it? They be homeless niggas here. They don't bother you. You don't bother them. Just go to gate 6.
Go.
Okay?
You be like, yo, I don't understand. How do I get to, listen, nigga, I don't know. The numbers go up. You know how to count? Find a fucking
There's
gate.
a website, okay? Just because the shit's called the Vermonter doesn't mean it goes to Vermont.
Is the app stupid? You got a phone? Is your phone smart or is it stupid like you?
They be having a wild attitude too.
Wild attitude, bro.
I'm like, which is the business card? Like, The first car, dummy.
Wow. Maybe they should just say business on the side, asshole.
Wow.
Like, wow, okay.
You just walk away like, I'm glad you niggas going bankrupt.
Fuck. And your Wi-Fi's trash.
You know what? Their Wi-Fi is not trash. Niggas be trying to do too much.
On the Wi-Fi?
All of y'all.
Well,
everybody tries to do too much on the
Listen, we
Amtrak
can't
Wi-Fi is for sending emails
That's
and
it.
tweets.
That's it. We can't all watch Pornhub
Y'all
on
trying to
Wi-Fi.
Skype. Niggas are trying to upload podcasts. People over here doing renderings. They're sending over Final Cut Pro, final edits and shit to lock them.
Yo, niggas like, yo, here's this RAR file. It's fucking 16 terabytes of Pinot.
Just downloading a PSD Photoshop file. That shit got 600 layers. No,
Yo,
relax. Don't
chill,
say
chill.
no. Trying to video conference, you get mad. Now you're trying to listen to Spotify on a moving train.
The router's just looking at you like, yo, fam.
Boy, you doing a lot.
No.
You got too much dip on your shit, boy.
No. Not in my day. In my day, we just send emails and low resolution images.
See, that's why I like airplanes Wi-Fi, because they tell you up front. It's like when you're about to get into a relationship with a person, they tell you up front, like, yo, I ain't shit. I'm gonna just be up front with you. Like, don't get mad later.
I'm gonna keep it real.
You know, I might cheat.
I got open cases. I might cheat. You know what I'm saying?
Like, you're gonna find some money missing.
You feel me?
I might come over and not leave for a week.
You feel me?
But you know what? You see the good in me, so we can make this work.
You feel me? I'm like, listen, if you smoke weed, the shit might be missing when you come home. You know what I'm saying?
And
Sorry.
you press enter on that airport Wi-Fi, and you be like, all right, I'm rocking. And then you see a video on your Twitter feed, you be like, all right.
Why does she got a little circular arrow still? All right.
You keep reloading that shit for like 3 states.
But then you read the fine print and it's like, yo, not for streaming video, not for streaming shit.
I told you can't do that shit.
I was like, wow, word? That's the only reason I got this shit.
I'm open to Jamaican Airlines, and when you do shit like that, the stewardess just come over and hit you with like a ruler and
like,
shit.
yo, are you mad?
Mm-hmm. Anytime, like if there's turbulence and you don't catch your cup.
Trying to watch a blue film on your flight? Huh?
Nigga said blue film. I imagine back in the days when you could smoke on planes, it probably was like Pinot.
Hell yeah.
Niggas was probably beating their meats wild LZ.
Man, you can do all type of shit.
Probably just touch the person next to you and shit.
Have you? This is a perfect example. Have you heard like anybody talk about the Mile High Club in like years?
Yeah.
Like I haven't heard anybody say that.
Oh
shit in that long.
yeah. You can't
do that shit. You can't smash.
Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna lie. If I see 2 people go to the bathroom, I'm telling them.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, they fucking.
I'll be like, Air Marshal,
shoot
them niggas.
I don't know what they doing.
Shoot them niggas.
I don't know what they doing, but they might be in there crafting.
They went in there 2 at a time. Matter of fact, I might take my knife and like wait for them to come out.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
and
yo,
stab them up. Like, I ain't taking no chances.
Yo, fuck that.
Nah, no ISIS shit on my flight.
Nah,
okay?
none of that.
Nah, nigga, we landing at JFK.
It's just
Let's
like,
go.
This is my grandmother. She can't walk.
Oh.
That's why I was taking her to the bathroom because she can't walk. I had to pick her up and bring her to the bathroom.
Oh, I thought y'all was doing some freaky lesbian stuff. I'm sorry. Sorry you stabbed your granny.
She be alright. Niggas get stabbed every day.
Yeah, I'm saying. Just go back in first class.
Fuck your grandma.
Dramatically close the curtain.
Like, fuck out of here. Stay back there, coachy man.
Can I get a hot towel? I have blood on my hands. And some hot nuts, please. Yeah. Just take some cashews and microwave them for no reason. First class problems. Judy's like, this nigga fly first class.
Oh, word?
Oh, this nigga admit?
Yeah, you know I'm gonna hit you with, Judy? Oh, little coachy girl. Oh, I'm flying to Florida, coach. Oh, I want to fly economy. Me. Oh, shit, chill.
Does she fly economy?
Yeah.
I saw a tweet and it was just like, someone rich. So listen, I'm going to be a little classist here.
Okay.
The person said there's no point of doing first class because you save money if you sit in the back and you're both going to the same destination. And I was like, that is so fucking wrong.
I was like, fam, nah, you must be 4'3" if you think that's true.
It's the difference between protected and unprotected sex.
Dead ass. Mm-hmm. Like, yo, fam, first class is like, it's a totally different experience, B.
You could tell, like, we're hood boogers because, like, for 3 podcasts straight, we've talked about first class.
Yeah. But it's
we
like,
the niggas you don't want to see in first class. Like, we have definitely gotten first class smelling like that Pacquiao.
Oh, my God.
I remember I sat down to a guy, he was like,
yeah.
You smell good.
Yeah. Yo, every fucking LA niggas always say that shit. Hey, yeah.
Right.
You're ready for the flight, huh?
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Wish I could smell like you.
Yeah. It's always like some 68-year-old white guy like, yeah.
I like you could if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Dr. Bornstein.
Doctor, like, come on, you're like, doctor. You can literally write yourself a script for this shit. He's like, back in Woodstock, I fucked a girl raw. I fucked a complete stranger raw dog in a mud puddle.
I'm like,
while Hendrix was on acid.
Do you want the aisle seat? I ain't asked for that. Like,
well,
I have some pictures on my phone.
Do you want to see them?
Of my cock.
Do you rap? Can I show you my
Are
penis?
you Travis Scott?
Are you Travis Scott?
Anytime people ask me if I'm someone else, I just go with it. I'm just like,
Yeah.
I just want to get one of those photos
Yeah.
on Twitter where someone's like, look, I met like Muhammad Ali. And I'm like,
Yeah, what up?
oh shit, Charles Oakley.
I'm in front and be like, hey, I'm Derek Jeter.
Yeah.
Just shit my face and be like, yo, I'm Derek Jeter, what up?
All it would take is for me to come up and be like, oh shit, yeah, Jeez, yeah.
I'm like, oh, thank you.
See?
Thank you. Just put on the contacts and shit, I'm good.
Fuck Showtime. Let's do that. We're gonna go to Times Square and just grift people.
Yeah, that's
Make
it.
them
Just be the wild grifters.
I'm like, who want to take a picture with Robinson Cano?
Hey, papi, I signed to the mess. Hello, how you doing? I signed in baseball today in Times Square.
And I got on a wild Jamaican tracksuit. Usain Bolt.
He's like, yo.
Oh, the Elmos are standing with their hands on their hips, like,
It's chingada way. He's taking all our money, ese.
you gotta get out of here.
What the fuck is going on here, man?
Scratching each other. They still got the naked chicks in there.
Yeah, yo. They,
When did we work in Times Square?
They're
That seems like a
grand.
lifetime ago.
It does.
That was.
But that was
20
like I feel like that was the advent of like multiple exposed titties in Times Square.
Yeah.
Because like we got there and the titties just started coming out.
They
crazy.
was out there, man.
They was out there, bro. It
Just
used to
with
be
a
one
light
lady.
dusting of paint.
Yeah. Like I'm like, yo, I see your whole ass titty. Like the whole
with the cheap Victoria's Secret thong.
Yeah, how does shit hang? Like I can see that you ran out of body paint because when you turn this way, there's like the under titty don't got
Yeah.
paint on it. Like I was like, wow, like y'all doing a lot.
There gotta be something better than just standing around Times Square painted.
Something.
There gotta be something.
Come on, man. Like yo,
Like they be giving you options in the daytime.
There's a help wanted sign right here at
there.
Lids.
Like
at Lids,
Your
right
man,
there.
your man is spinning the sign. He's not naked. Now I remember at my most pop, I was like, yo, how much money can you get collecting cans? But then I did the math and I was like, oh hell no.
Nah.
Like you gotta have 20 cans for $1.
Yeah, fam.
Excuse you?
Fam.
That's not, you don't luck around and go to one garbage can to get 20 cans.
Fam,
you go to 20 garbage cans to get one can.
Yeah, one can.
Now you gotta have the cart. And so you see those wall carts and
Yep.
they be having mad bags. That's like $5-6.
Fam. I did the fucking.
That's when you just break the window at the jewelry store.
Yeah,
Just
like fuck it,
fuck
bro.
it. If they get caught, get
Fam,
caught.
when I was on some petty pinch and shit, I would drink the bottled water and not put it in the recyclables and just leave it in the trunk of the car and then go to BJ's because they had the machine and just put that shit in the machine and get like $2 worth of fucking for like eight. Walking with a hefty bag of bottles and just be there like. This old Chinese lady behind me like.
Oh my God.
She got like 6 shopping carts full of Coke cans and shit. What made me really not want to do that shit though was the joint on Jerome that does the glass and the cans. And as soon as you step on that block, it smelled like straight piss.
Yes.
Straight piss.
Because they'll
Like-
go. What is it? Do they pee while they're redeeming the cans?
Yo, fam.
There's no correlation. No. It is not the beer being poured out. It's like
Straight piss. Maybe niggas are peeing in the empty bottles and they're like throwing them in the trash.
oh, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh
I
shit.
don't-
But how many bottles full of piss are they picking up? They're not emptying them before they put them up.
I feel like if you're collecting bottles, like getting a little pee on your hand is the least of your concerns.
You
you
get a
just
little blood on my door. This should be
It
alright.
should be alright. You know what I'm saying? I'm
Damn.
just trying to get to this hot bag.
Collect the cans. Also, should they make it like a quarter for a can? Well, I mean, I would raise the price of the drinks, but
You know what I'm saying?
damn, they gotta be
But
a
that would
better way.
discourage people to drink soda.
Soda.
And, maybe healthy. I don't know.
I
bro.
don't know.
Who fucking knows?
It's like you want to
That's-
get healthy, but Trump's fucking up the world. So what's the point?
So what's the point?
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
They talk about the ocean. They talk about Miami's not gonna be here in 12 years and
You know
shit.
what I'm saying?
Like,
What the fuck? Yo, listen.
well, you want to live in that world?
Fam.
You want to live in a world where fucking Hoboken is a legend? Let's talk about a land that used to exist.
Oh, man.
They scuba dive down to see the old city bikes.
Remember California?
Whoa,
This shit-
California! Before shit shook off the earth.
Oh, my God. You go to fucking pay homage to the E40 statue?
The average temperature in the Bronx is 90. Fucking Bronx is just a desert with mad cactus.
Yo, I love the fact that Donald Trump has no idea the difference between weather and climate.
Oh, he don't know shit.
Like, he don't know shit.
He's dumb as
that
shit,
nigga's
boy.
like- he's like, if there's global warming, why is it so brick?
We need some more.
We need some more global warming. Globally,
We
need to
need
be
more
warmer.
global warming. Turn it up. Yeah, that's your president. That's your
That's your
president.
president.
Yeah, he don't know shit.
He don't know nothing.
It's great because they're like, yo, this could happen in like. Some people say like 50 years. Some people were like 12 years. That's when 50 years, you like, oh, I'll be dead. I don't give a shit.
I don't give a fuck.
12 years, like, Niggas like, I
Fam.
might just be starting like my retirement.
Fam, I might just be like, yeah,
You know
but
what I'm
like
saying?
they might.
I know babies that will be alive.
Dog, they might reinstate Backpage by then.
You know,
like you gotta be ready.
if you stay ready, you got to get ready. If you go to Backpage right now, it's like the wild federal seal.
Federal seal, like yo, I see you, nigga.
They're like, yo, we got your IP address. I'm like, what? I'm doing a civil liberties thing.
Every time you go back, you keep checking. It's like, nigga, you back here again? So don't even
well. Look who's back.
Look who's back.
CIA agent watching your computer's like,
This
he back on Backpage.
Oh my god.
Again. This nigga don't learn.
Nigga, just go to Arrows.
Wow. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. Nigga said Arrows.
Yo, that is
Not
that is-
Arrows NY or Arrows NY or NJ or LA or Arrows Miami. Don't forget exotics.
Yeah.
Listen. Oh, my scumbag's like, yeah, listen.
Listen, when there's a will, there's a way, my nigga.
There's always a will. There's always a will. Because listen, niggas was getting choked way before the internet.
Yeah.
And we'll be getting choked way after the internet.
And they go to Can't Stop, Won't Stop.
Can't stop. Listen. They say it's the world's oldest profession.
That's it. It is. You know what I'm saying?
Who came up with that?
I don't know.
That seems like some marketing shit.
Yeah.
Some madman came up with that shit. Like some ad like prostitution.
Don Draper, prostitution. The world's oldest profession.
I love it. I love it.
I'm a genius.
We're gonna release that at Christmas time.
That whole show was mad bizarre and weird because like his mom's was like was a sex worker in a brothel and he grew up in a brothel.
I did not know that. I know nothing of Mad Men.
Yeah, and
That's
then
not my type of show.
And he wasn't even his real name wasn't even Don Draper. It was some other shit, and he just like assumed the identity of a nigga that died at war with him, so that he could go back to the U.S. and like start over and not be like the son of a prostitute because I was frowned upon in the 50s. Yo, shit was wild.
That's why white people were sucking that dick of that show, Wild Nilly.
Crazy. Yeah, they were like it's so deep, it's so layered. Like, look at the childhood trauma he has to endure. I was just like, yo, I just like watching niggas smoking inside.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like when you go out in New York, you go to like an IHOP and niggas is smoking inside. You're like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Yeah. The server smoking this shit. Someone got an exposed gun.
I'll have the moons over my hammy, and Shorty just ashing and shit by accident. They're like, oh, I'm sorry.
We stopped at a rest stop that had a fully operational Roy Rogers.
Yo.
My nigga, when was the last time you seen a Roy Rogers?
Nigga.
I felt like we should have called Roy Rogers corporate and reported this location so they should know that Roy Rogers went out of business years ago.
Like, yo, fam, like, y'all are
How y'all still
here?
a ghost franchise? Also, we were like, yo, they was like, we don't got chicken. I'm like, the whole point of Roy Rogers is chicken.
It's like Lost, but for Roy Rogers. Niggas just like, I don't know what's going on. We're just stuck here forever. At the Fixins bar.
We can't leave until we sell our 1 millionth piece of chicken. Like, you haven't gotten a shipment in 20 years. Like, close it down.
Fam.
You're just selling salads.
Yo, if any of y'all Bodega Hive members work at any of those rest stops, please tell us what it's like. Because I'm like, yo, it's dumb depressing.
That
dude.
shit look like that. I don't usually understand why people do like the wild heroin.
Now I get it. Yeah. I'm like, yo, you must be shooting dope in the bathroom on your break because I'm like,
it's just niggas coming in to pee.
That's it.
That's it.
They pee, they get a Whopper, and then they bounce. They don't even say thank you, nothing. They walk tired and shit.
Niggas come in with the wild. Yo, how do I get to Albuquerque? Like, nah, nigga, I'm just here.
I don't know. I don't know, fam.
Niggas like Mero Steel.
Exactly.
Yeah. No reason to. But you've been working there for 5 years, and you're working there for 5 years. Your spirit is broken, and you watch this rich bastard come in and steal an honest tea, and you're like, what the fuck? And he's just like, I do it. He's on some Marlo shit.
It's a disease
with the lollipop. He's like, you want it to be one way, this is the other.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just trying to do my job, man. Nigga hop in the SUV, do the wild donut, and pull out.
I can't stop.
Got a problem.
I can't stop doing graffiti. I can't stop stealing. Help! We be the only niggas that win Emmys, and I'm still out here doing graffiti and like stealing shit.
They're gonna arrest you doing graffiti with the Emmy next to you.
With the Emmy around my neck on the chain and shit.
Shit. And they're gonna arrest me across the street, like smoking a wild blunt in public. Like, y'all, that shit look, you freaking out, yo, you freaking out.
Yo, word.
The whole idea that you can't smoke, how do you legalize weed, but you can't smoke weed in public? Like,
that don't make no sense.
Remember we were in LA and they was like, you guys can't smoke weed here? It was like, we're on Showtime.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, we're a premium now.
Okay. Also, I'm a sovereign citizen.
So,
All right. If it ain't maritime law, it don't apply.
It don't apply, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck out of here.
Make my pilgrimage to our Mecca, aka City Island.
That's
you know
right.
what I mean? Okay.
Just sit on a boat and shit like.
Who can't catch me?
Smoke a wild alien.
I'm like, international waters. They're like, sir, you're in the City Island.
Officer Prosciutto on the dock, man, frustrated, like, God damn it. You know what? You know what?
Get this sovereign citizen.
Oh, I'm gonna get this fucking Moulignan. I can't wait for him to dock his boat. Oh, I can't wait. He's gonna run out of gas eventually.
Sovereign citizen. I open like the wild sails. Never catch me.
They got mad flags up. They're like, yo, what the fuck does that flag mean? I don't even know what it means.
Well, the flag's just the Supreme logo. Floating away.
Yo.
To Mexico, Captain P.O.
Hey. Okay, Poppy, let's go. Yo, we got to reboot Fantasy Island and have
my
P.O.P.
God, yeah.
Tattoo.
Actually, wouldn't Fantasy Island just be La Marina?
Basically.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Fantasy La Marina?
We could do it.
But we have to, people can't have like the wild, like, I want to see my dead wife kind of shit.
Yeah,
like,
no,
you have to have like reasonable.
Yeah.
Like I want to get double toppy.
Yeah, I want to smash Yesenia.
I would like to smoke hookah and not get herpes.
Yes.
You know what I
mean?
mean?
What I'm saying?
I would like to have a nice day with my side chick without having to worry about my wife coming through. Like little simple shit like that.
Like, yo, the IG star tender that I be liking and she be curving me in the DMs. Like, she could like not leave me on red, like on scene. You feel me? Like,
how much is it? We got to do a La Marina pop-up shop. We just opened La Marina, just the beach part. Fuck the restaurant. Y'all was wild and eating at that restaurant. Okay? For the record, I saw a rat in the kitchen. Not on the floor. He had on his chef's hat. The man was making mad pernil. Like, yo. Put his little paw in and was like,
oh, papi.
adobo.
Need a little more. Papi, ponle más adobo.
He was like, you know what it needs? We can pull off mad rat hair, shred the shit. Nah, we gonna reopen the beach part.
We can garnish and shit. We gotta go to Home Depot and get like 50 bags of sand.
How hard? No, we don't. We just gotta steal sand from Orchard Beach.
That's right.
Ain't nobody watching Orchard Beach.
Yo!
Everybody, if you want to see La Marina open up, get a plastic bag.
Yep.
Go to Orchard Beach or Jones Beach. Fill the bag and bring it to the old La Marina spot and dump it. If we get enough sand there, we can open by May.
That's right. Let's do it.
Save La Marina. Save La Marina. Save La Marina. Save La Marina. Yeah! Who said Bodega Boys don't do good things for the hood? Huh?
That's right.
Okay?
It's
Do things for the little done.
That's right. Yo, speaking of that, I like in my head, I'm like, yo, that's got to be illegal, right? Like to go to Orchard Beach and just like steal sand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
yeah, you can't just be you can't just go and fill like cement bags full of sand from public beaches.
Because this is
here we go.
Here we go, and it keeps resurfacing.
Mero story.
It keeps resurfacing.
Oh, someone's coming back.
It keeps resurfacing.
Who's coming back? The OG.
Oh my God.
The original. She lived front free in his head. It's Mero and Judy.
Fam, Judy had me. Judy made a sandbox for the kids in her yard, and did not get sand. You know how regular niggas go to Toys R Us and get the play sand?
Right.
No. We went to the community pool that was closed for the season, and she made me fill up 3 5-gallon paint buckets full of sand. I'm like, yo, this is wild illegal.
Oh my God.
And bring them back to the crib and dump them in the sandbox. I was like, yo.
So when my father's like, you know that gif in belly of ox? Like wipes his mouth with a napkin and slaps like this?
Yo.
Brilliant.
I was like, yo, are you serious? I'm like, but why me though? I was like, say Heather, nigga, I won't get shot by police. I'm gonna get shot by police for stealing sand. Like, yo, you bugging.
Oh my God.
Stop. Stop putting me in these predicaments, bro.
My aunt, who's a wild Jehovah's Witness, her thing would be, you know when they do field service, the knock work and the Saturday mornings. Her thing was she would steal plants for people for her garden.
Wow.
Not like from the pot, but like she'd snap off a branch.
And
I was like, that's kind of stealing.
I mean, are you going to get into paradise if you do that? Like,
She just hit me in the back of my head.
Shut. Mind your business.
Put your suit back on. I'm like, this suit doesn't fit.
Where we going? It's very big.
Come on.
Steve Harvey's status.
Services.
Yeah, I fucked up because Jehovah's Witnesses came to my crib like last week.
In a cul-de-sac?
Yeah, and they came and knocked on the door, and I opened the door, and I was just like, fuck. And I was like, oh shit, I recognize this. I was like, but I wasn't a dick.
Don't forget the code. If Jehovah's Witnesses come to your door and you say not interested, they have to leave.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that because I like from my grandma taking me door to door in the P's, like trying to have people and getting the door slammed in the face. I felt mad bad, so I was just like, I didn't want to slam the door in the face, but then I was just like, yo,
because they're taught a script of dialogue and it's like a flow chart. So you say this, they do that.
They go to that.
Yeah. Not interested. Conversation's over. Move on.
Oh, damn.
Right.
Now I got it.
Don't tell Bethel I said that.
Oh shit, because Homie came and he was just like. I was like, my grandmother was Jehovah's Witness. Like, I went to Kingdom Hall with her a couple times. Like, like, I still keep up, like, a little bit. Yeah, it's a nice thing. But I'm very busy, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really have time to do...
Oh, you talking to me? Nah, just close the door.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because I felt bad.
And most of them just want to go home anyway.
Yeah,
like,
you feel me?
They just trying to get the number on the fucking record.
But, now Mans comes back every fucking weekend.
Because you know what you are now? A return visit.
Oh, and I got to... Oh, man.
Damn.
Damn,
it's like
bro.
my house, my building. Someone knocked on my door.
You know what I'm saying?
Because I'm from the hood. What do you think was the first thing I did? No, I grabbed a knife. Because I'm like, how someone knocked on my door, but I have like there's a guard downstairs, and you have to get buzzed in. So how you in the building knocking on my door randomly at 6 p.m.? I'm a New Yorker, so clearly that means this person's trying to kill me.
Just trying to kill me, so I'm gonna kill him first.
So I had the wild knife, and I opened it, but I had my foot, so like you couldn't push in for the home invasion. Yeah. So I figured if they pushed in like this, I'd just stab in.
Yes. Yep. Yeah.
Regular Bronx shit, BX all day.
You know what I mean? You insane?
It was the FedEx guy.
Yeah.
I felt bad.
you almost stabbed DJ
Khaled.
Khaled.
Now I have the door like wedged like this, and he's like, "You got to sign for it." And I got the wild kitchen knife, so I'm just like, I want to throw it on the couch, but Charlie's chilling on the couch, and I want to stab my cat. So I'm just like, I'm just trying to put. You just hear like the wild clank. And he's like, "You all right?" Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, no. I just got a vase. I fell.
Just looked him in his eyes though, like, don't try this home invasion shit. Because also I have nothing of value in my house. I have sneakers that are my size. Like, I have no cash.
Yeah, no, I don't have any. That's funny shit too. I'm like,
I mean, you're gonna put the knife to my head and make me use a cash app? Like, I'll be like, no,
nigga.
Stab me, nigga.
No, stab me.
I die for $20.
I don't give a fuck. I was like, what are you gonna do? You gonna set like, nigga, boom, locked.
Remember, that girl on the Lower East Side who said to the guy that was like robbing them, and she was like, "What are you gonna do? Stab me?" And he definitely stabbed her and killed her. What year was that? That was
Some niggas will do, some niggas don't. You gotta. It's a roll of the dice. Some motherfuckers will stab you if you tell them to.
That was in New York. What year was that?
Mid 90s.
No, that was like 2000. That was 2000 and I want to say like 9.
No, okay.
Or something like,
oh yeah, we were wilding. We won a World Series.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean,
all bets are off. You know what I'm saying? CC performed, A-Rod performed. You know what I'm saying? Got us that ring. So it's the purge, nigga, for the whole year.
That was a while ago.
Yo.
Memories.
Can shoot me, motherfucker. Okay, pow. Oh shit, I was not expecting that. Now I'm bleeding to death.
Manny Machado and Bryce Harper are still unsigned, and pitchers and catchers started.
Yeah. That means that they're not gonna get that 10. They're not gonna get a 10-year deal.
But you know, if you were them, would you just take? I think they might just take like the 1 year.
That's what I would do. I'd be like, yo, give me 1 year, 40 mil. Let's see what happens. Like, and then we renegotiate halfway through the season. Like, you know what I'm saying? And you give me my bread.
Yankees being cheap.
Yeah.
Yankees being so fucking cheap.
Bro, George Steinbrenner is like rolling.
George Steinbrenner, the boss is turning over in his grave.
Come on, man.
Hey, Mike, this is first time, long time. I just want to say I don't usually, I'm not a guy that's fond of spending money on, the Browns.
Okay.
But Manny Machado's just standing out there. He's being a lazy beaner. I mean, we should just sign him for the cheap. I'll hang up and listen. I'm calling from Babylon.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I can't say I disagree with you. The guy's say he's a dirty player, okay? But I just think he plays hard. Most players of Latin, what are they calling it? African Latino.
Yeah, Afro Latino. That means they don't run it out to first.
Yeah. So they hot dog it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's an offensive term. I believe the term is perocalor. The gorilla.
Mike Francis. I can't wait till he starts like going like halfway senile and just like starts saying mad random shit.
Yeah, me 2 weeks ago. Nah, we love you, Mike.
Yeah,
there's gonna be a point where Mike can't do the show anymore. He has to just come on our show. He's gonna be the third Bodega Boy.
Yeah, he just has to sit there and be like and just say problematic shit.
You heard him describing Green Book?
Yo,
that's art.
He's like, as Italian could be, a real Joe Pepitone kind of guy.
A real Italian's Italian. And he's driving around with a black guy who's cultured,
But he's a little
snobby.
little snobbish. A little snobbish, the guy.
And the T is, he's gay.
He's gay. The guy's gay.
He's gay. But the way his voice dropped, he's like, he's gay.
The guy's gay.
Mike Francesa reads Green Book. So it's like a book for the blacks.
Okay, and it's places where they can go.
If they want to get chicken, some grape soda, menthol cigarettes,
things that they enjoy. Like slam dunks.
A parking lot if they want to play their music loud.
Yeah, what are those things called? The hoverboards.
Yeah, if they want to do scamming.
And the thing that copies credit cards.
We need to make Green Book 2 has to be Mike Francesa driving us through the South.
No! Oh my God. Yo! He's not driving for a Southern tour, for a chilling circuit tour. Yo!
Chicken quack quack. I don't get the humor, but
yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Yo, I had to watch that movie because, like, you were like, yo, it's hilarious. It's very bad and hilarious.
Oh my God!
I was like, yo, fam. And then the scene where he's shooting dice with the other drivers outside, I was just like, yo, fam, like, nah.
Come on, man.
Come on now.
Come on, bro.
Like,
a little too on the nose.
On the nose, bro. And then homie just, like, delivers, like, the wild, like, ham-fisted line. He's like, you got the option to go in there. I don't.
Like, relax.
I was like, bro.
As Mike Francesa would call him, marshmallow? Marshmallow?
Yeah, my hair shower Ali.
And then he just like went back to the Italian part. He's like, yeah, and at the end they have like a good Italian meal. I believe there was I saw some ziti, some stuffed shells,
some banana sauce.
I believe there were 6 people at the table, so I believe the portions were pretty heavy.
Fresh pasta was fresh made in the house.
I saw some new. I saw one of the women had flour on her shirts. That means they made the noodles themselves.
It was good. It was good.
A good movie altogether.
It was excellent. Great movie.
The real ending of Green Book was they open the door, they see Marshall Ali. And he's like, hey, it's my pal. Someone's like, get that fucking moolie out of my kitchen.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
Whoa. What is this, the Apollo? Get that black out of here.
Hey, I don't understand. I paid you, but what the fuck?
Elizabeth, hide the jewelry.
He's like, I'm actually much richer than all of you. And,
Whoa, slow it down, Sammy Davis Jr.
I'm actually a classically trained pianist.
Why they made him a classically trained pianist? Like, he's not like a regular job.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why couldn't he just be like a regular dude? Like, listen,
I don't know. The whole movie was a mess.
That shit was,
and they barely used the Green Book.
Fam, it was
they should make it like the Green Book gives you superpowers. The Green Book makes you Black Panther.
No. / Green Lantern. Pow,
he's like,
Marvel DC crossover.
So the Italian guy's like, hey, all you black people are all the same. He's like, oh. Yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Have you ever been to Wakanda? And then, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't steal that, Marvel.
Yeah.
Stanley, if you steal that,
Oh. Who's that?
Stanley?
Who?
Stanley died.
Who? Who's that?
Stanley.
Stanley? Who's
Michael.
Stanley, who's that? Who?
He made Star Wars and, he made Marvel Comics.
Who cares? Who cares? I don't care about the guy. The guy made comics? Who cares?
See?
I never was a comic kid. I read the sports pages when I was 3. I came out of my mother's womb with Lou Gehrig's bat.
The art of Mike Francesa, a national treasure. Wrap him in bubble tape and protect him by all means.
He's got to
Task Force protect Mike Francesa.
You know what I'm saying? He's got to be the last racist Italian left on Earth.
Oh man, the last racist. Why? What happened?
We got to preserve him. That's just him. In a museum.
There's plenty of racist Italians. Shout out to the guy that called us nigger on Bedford Avenue and still has not been caught.
It has not been caught.
Listen, Bodega, the reward is still out there. We got Showtime money now. This ain't a threat, but I'm just saying, like, if you got student loads,
don't hit us with no RICO charges. But
okay?
I'm just saying,
I put a 20 pack on his head with that blanket. I had 6'9" tattooed on my face.
Yo,
if we get arrested on RICO, which one of us is snitching? You know what? If we get arrested on RICO, I'll take the charges because you got kids.
I mean,
you just got to take care of Charlie.
Yeah.
Make Charlie a lieutenant.
Yeah.
Just send him money every month.
Yo, I got you.
You got me. All you got to do is like feed him and like change his litter box.
Nah, nigga, fuck that. I'm gonna honor my man's. I'm gonna honor my man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you a whole wing in the crib, bro. You got your own room.
They gonna have me in that fucking witness room. I'm gonna waste their fucking time.
I don't know. What
I'll be like, yo, Mero murdered someone. I mean, if you give me a chopped cheese, like I'll tell you something. It gotta be a chopped cheese from East 233rd. tell Poppy Desus what I'm saying. By the time it gets here to New Jersey, that shit better be warm.
You know what I'm saying? Or else I ain't call my mother. Hey, my attorney on his way.
Yo, you know, I thought would expedite the process of me telling you about this criminal investigation. Perhaps if you gave me like a Showtime login, I could watch a show or something.
Feel me?
I want to see what's happening with Ray Donovan.
All right, this guy's asking for a Showtime login. Do we got one of those? Do we?
Yo, you know what else? I'm gonna need a cell phone and download the TikTok app because I want to make like a funny like video about me being interrogated to like some BTS music.
Oh, all right. This guy wants a. Let's get this guy. He's already asked for 6 Newports, a slice of pizza. Now he wants a phone. What's a TikTok? Is that that A Boogie song?
Hey, officer. Officer.
What else? What else you need?
I need you to take me to the Gucci store so I
Okay.
can record myself not buying Gucci to show that I stand in support of the protest, boycott, whatever.
All right.
And then I'll tell you about some tax evasion.
All right,
listen.
pal. All right.
I mean, I'm in the driver's seat
All right,
right now.
all right, listen.
What?
Listen. You're asking for a lot now.
Listen, you want the kid Mero or not? You want the whole Bodega Boys investigation? Huh?
Shit.
I'll tell you about the whole Inspired. Huh?
Fuck.
Let me tell you something. Do you know Victor had kids in Thailand sewing those T-shirts? Yeah. I'll do 20 standing on my head. I don't give a fuck.
That. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna come to the case with like my fucking jumpsuit all crushed up. I ain't even iron the shit. Like fuck it. I put it under my mattress.
Nigga, I'm gonna fuck shackled up and shit. Like,
They be like, you have anything to say to the judge? I'm like,
Yeah, suck my dick.
How about you suck all my dick? Yo, your honor, eat my ass, the pink part.
Fuck you,
Yeah.
nigga.
I'm gonna pull my cheeks apart so you really get in there, nigga.
Yeah.
You look like a clown in that black dress.
Yeah.
And all you fucking COs, yo, catch me outside when I'm uncuffed. I'll fuck you up.
Y'all pussy.
They be like,
Y'all pussy.
yes, the legal counsel retained by Showtime is no longer representing. This is nice.
The stenographer's like, yo,
Wow, this shit's spicy as fuck.
this nigga talking wild spicy.
Gossip is like, wow, this is not so nice. Goes on profanity-laced tirade in courtroom. Judge Judy shocked. Wait, what cases are we facing? You know what? Because we were doing. Oh, from when we used that whole sham of a first tour we did, that we just used the traffic drugs down I-95.
Yeah.
All right.
Listen,
Nigga had to move a brick.
Hey, listen. Fat Joe had the I-95 chain. Remember that shit? And he had to take it off because it was making shit hot.
Listen, sometimes you got to move a brick.
You gotta move a brick down 95. Moving bricks down 95. That's my favorite Casey Musgrave song.
You fuck with Casey Musgrave?
I have no idea who that is. I call Shorty Casey Muskrat for the longest, and I was just like, yo, is she trying to be extra country?
She's the yeehaw. She's the yee club bitch.
Yee?
Or some shit like that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is there any of her music like that I might have heard? Like,
It wouldn't come in our cipher. You know it's a good album though? The soundtrack to A Star Is Born. Throwing that back out here. Which, no bullshit is I've actually purchased.
Yo.
Okay?
Fam.
Ask my neighbors. They was like, yo, he's gay as shit.
Yo.
I'll be doing the dialogue.
The wildest shit about...
That's Black Eyes. It's Bradley Cooper's song.
Yes.
But, I mean,
there was a part when there's part of that movie where she was like, they want to hear my voice, but they don't want to see my face. Or some shit like that.
Something, boy.
It's when they're in the parking lot.
Aren't you tired trying to
Feel that void. Woo!
Damn.
The song is deep. You know what? Because the movie, low key, is about drugs.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, people think it's about Lady Gaga. It's about him like destroying his life with drugs and alcohol. That shit, that's right up my alley. It's dark Jesus shit.
Nice.
Like I don't even care about her success. I'm just like, damn, this nigga fucking his shit up.
Yeah.
Can't wait to be like that.
And I love it.
I can't wait. We're doing like season 3 of Desus and Mero, and I'm in the green room, and they got like a towel, and they're like getting crusted dry blood off my nose.
Yeah.
And Victor's like, just give him CBD oil. Just patch him along till the contract renews. It's like, oh. And we're doing a live show and I throw up blood.
Yeah.
And Sacha just comes with a shout wipe and just like,
It's like, hold on. You got blood on your shirt. Let me shower wipe it. Stay still. Jesus.
and I'm on Twitter asking for a kidney and niggas just roasting me. Shit's a promoted tweet.
Boy.
Should have drank all that Bex, boy. I'm like, oh, shit.
Niggas hit you with the wild boy.
I'm like, yo, I really need a kidney. Niggas hit me with the fucking crying MJ face, holding my side like, Damn.
Put the MJ on your
Nah,
kidney.
if I need a kitty, one of you Bodega Hive members better come up off that shit.
Come through.
Ooh, any matter of fact, what's a vestal organ I don't need?
Your appendix, your
Bodega Hive. Someone give me your appendix.
Yeah.
Get it removed and then put it and make a whimsical diorama of it and send it to Milk Studios.
Lit.
Actually,
Put it on ice.
there was a what's that show?
send the next day.
There's a show on HBO. What's it called? Room 104, I believe it's called. Yes, Room 104.
Yeah.
There's an episode where they cut off each other's dicks and fry them and eat them, but it's consensual. You gotta check that out. We gotta remake that.
What the fuck? Hold up. They cut each other's dicks off?
What part of that don't you comprehend?
Fam, I'm trying to like this. What's the plot? Like, what is it? Like, it's just like
It's like a tape. It's like a date night.
Is it like
niggas
Gonzo porn? Like they just
No, the
you
niggas-
just start off and they just sawing each other's cocks off? Like what
Pretty
the
much.
fuck?
Niggas cut each other's dicks off.
Yo,
Listen,
what is
listen. There's a phrase in the hood: eat a dick, and then there's the HBO: eat a dick.
Nigga ate that dick and was just like,
Listen, sometimes you gotta.
this was light but filling.
I mean, it's part of the keto diet.
Yo, niggas on the paleo diet. He's like, yo, this cock is making me gassy.
I'm a pescatarian. I mean, you know what? And I watched the whole show, and the first time I thought they were just eating each other's foreskins,
Oh no,
which makes a little more sense, I guess.
you can front and be like, it's calamari, it's calamari,
Yeah.
it's calamari, it's calamari, it's calamari.
You're gonna be hungry 10 minutes later.
Yeah,
unless
yeah.
you got like a big foreskin. Which is related to us reopening La Marina.
Hey, y'all.
Guess where the calamari's coming from, y'all. Yeah.
Hey.
That's just Dominican foreskins. They hear Taki Taki, they start dancing on the fucking table. Oh.
Oh my god,
What do they do with the foreskins though?
they got it. They throw them in a
No, they don't. They not throwing. That's
They
like
put them in the biohazard
no.
container.
What do they do with foreskin? I know my CAA agent is like, this nigga wildin'. He just be Googling shit. Foreskins are used to make high-end skin creams. The skin products contain fibroblasts grown on the foreskin and harvested for it. One foreskin could be used for decades to produce a fancy face cream like Skin Medica products hawked on Oprah.
Wow. Wow. So you're putting a baby's cock on your face every morning when you're getting ready for work.
Baby cock, 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 baby cock, 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 baby cock, cock. All right, that's disgusting. That's going to get us put on a sex offender list. I'm never going to see my nephew again.
I'm going to hit the grandpa. Cock, 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 cock. Yo, yeah, after this episode comes out.
Damn.
I heard y'all talking about baby cocks.
Wait a minute. So is Fenty Beauty just... Listen, go on Twitter right now and say Fenty Beauty is made from baby foreskins. Just tweet it out.
Just tweet it out.
Just tweet it out. Just put it out there.
No context.
No context.
No follow
And
up.
don't
nothing.
explain it.
Don't explain shit. Just put it out there.
Shame on you, Rihanna.
That was a cash grab.
There's mad circumcised kids running around in Barbados.
She got something. She got like a secret deal with a rabbi and shit. And he's like, "Y'all get you that fresh,
The
fresh."
mole, isn't it? The
Yeah,
mole. Yeah.
yeah.
So when
Yo.
Judy's like, he doesn't even fucking
You
know.
don't fucking know. Oh, this motherfucker.
She's just standing there cleaning her gun. An economy. With your broke self.
Yo, man, and she
I know she's gonna clap me too now.
we both getting clapped. It's collateral damage. It's gonna be a drive-by. Her and like 3 other fucking Annie DeFranco.
Oh wow, it's a car full of Jews, which was a very popular rap group back in the 90s.
Car full of Jews.
Van full of Pakistans and car full of Jews. I enjoyed that.
And young black teenagers.
Yes. Step up, step up, step up.
Oh shit. I was like, whoa, plot twist, they're not black at all.
Oh wow,
Wow.
young black teenagers.
Yo.
I remember niggas was like, they're gonna steal the culture. And they was like, yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much.
for one song. And then they're gonna disappear. They're popping in Sweden though. They open it for Loaded Finesse.
I mean, that's what's gonna happen to us. I
Tonight.
believe because we've kind of at that level now that fan base is gonna turn on us soon.
Are we real hip hop?
And we're gonna have to like take this whole Desus and Mero shit over to like Berlin, lesbian.
Yo. Und dieses
Brand is strong. Like, yeah,
wunderbar.
Niggas doing like the wild half-hearted AKAs in the Netherlands and shit. Pocket say fat, like, here we go. And it was like, yeah, I do not speak English.
You gotta like learn one thing about the country. Be like, yo.
I was like, yo.
Shout out to Boateng.
I was eating toaster strudel. They're like, yeah.
You can come and be my strudel, bitch. By the way, So Far Gone has turned 10 years old, and everybody that is a 90s baby apparently thinks that shit was released yesterday.
Yeah, they were like, yo, this new album, this new Drake album's not banging.
This shit is weak. Why he got Bun B on this shit?
Who the fuck is that whack nigga?
Yo, who's that whack nigga? Yo, Lil Wayne snapped on that. I'm like, yeah, bro. 10 years ago.
Damn. That was 2009.
That was like,
I was wilding.
Yeah.
I was fucking wilding in 2009.
Yeah.
Like,
Listen, I was the swagger supermarket back then.
I went to Essence Fest. I was wild and dog.
I was wild. I was raw dog.
And I remember they were playing. They played it everywhere, and I was like, "Who's this fucking beige bastard?" And I was a wall hater, and I was like, "This guy he's not gonna be around."
Yo, and didn't Kanye direct the video for the single?
One of them, yeah. And
I was like, man, that's when you know Kanye was like Kanye's a nasty nigga, like on the low too, like because he's like obsessed with Pinot.
Well, not on the low. Everyone knows that.
Everybody knows he's like obsessed with Pinot. Yeah. Like that should have been like the key right there. Like when he did the Kanye's workout plan video, like he had Vita Guerra and like other like. You know,
but we appreciated that at the time.
Yeah, we did.
Nah, he was cool when he was like a nasty. He just went too far. Like he was doing weird shit now.
Now you wild.
Now he's like your friend that got married and like he got mad kids, but like instead of just being like the cool dad, he's just being like the weird dad.
The weird, like
he's coming to you like Quinan shit. Like you know Donald Trump is gonna arrest mad child abusers, and you're like, what? I'm not doing all this shit.
What are you
Niggas trying to get you
about?
mad illegal shit.
Like no.
Niggas like invest in the fucking Iraqi dollar. Cause,
no. Why?
Yo, you know about being a sovereign citizen?
No, nigga, no.
It's like, yo, you still paying taxes? Wow, like dumb.
You weird, bro. You turn mad
Every
weird.
time he wants to talk to you, you gotta like meet him in his garage. You talk mad low.
He's like, hold on, let me put the aluminum foil over the door first.
Yo, I want to talk to you about something. You free this weekend? You're like, no, that's not how humans communicate.
No, bro, you could text me.
Because it's Tuesday now. I'm gonna be worried all weekend about what you want to talk to me about. What's wrong with you?
I would just hit him with the thumbs down. On the fucking on that message.
Is that proper dialogue? Can you use those responses as a way to?
I feel like it depends on the message.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
If Shorty's like, "Yo, I'm pregnant," you give the thumbs down. That's not appropriate.
I hit her with a ha
ha. Wow. That's why the black community is breaking up. Imagine you be like, "Yo, I'm pregnant." They be like.
Chappelle, you throw one of the stupid effects and shit like the confetti, like
no,
congrats,
not mine.
No, hey, we go to Amore, confetti.
Like the little animal emoji, like that's not mine, baby, fucking baby.
You out of pocket.
Send a little pig. Oh shit.
So
well, also you can't do people. Well. That's a phone call. You can't be like saying a text.
Like, yo, you got me pregnant.
Like a text is like, yo, your Uber's here. Not like, yo, we are going to be linked for the next 18 years. Like, I guess. I don't know.
Yo.
I just realized I totally have the option to be a deadbeat father.
You could.
Like in my head all this time, I was like, yo, if I knock someone up, like I should have. No one says I have to.
You could bounce, dog.
I could bounce. I'm about to biz out.
I can't take this shit.
I'm about to let it go. Ladies.
Yeah.
That you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Here for a short time, not a good time.
Yeah.
But then you get the chance to like fight with me in Baller Alert comments and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll be like, yo, you got Alexandria College. Like, come see your kid. I'll be like, blocked.
You just do petty likes and shit when she's with the stepdad and shit, and they throwing a football around, and you just like
bought my stepson one pair of Jordans. I was like sent like 12 pairs of Jordans over there. Like, yo, daddy fucks with you, but not like that.
Not like that. Yeah. Don't pop up at the premiere.
Are you following the story of YNW Melly?
No.
He has that song about. It's called Murder on My Mind.
Oh yeah, where he basically was just like, I murked everybody.
That is like, yo, this Law and Order ass nigga, man. Like, what's he thinking? I was like, the lyrics to the song, because they say he killed two of his best friends.
Wow.
but then staged it to look like a drive-by or some shit. The lyrics to this shit is just out of control. Yellow tape around his body, it's a fucking homicide. His face is on a t-shirt, his family traumatized. I didn't mean to shoot him, he just caught me by surprise. I reloaded my pistol, cocked it back, and shot him twice. His body dropped down to the floor. He got teardrops in his eyes. He grabbed me by my hands and said he was afraid to die. At this point, your lawyer goes like this. Nigga, I'm out. Nigga, I am out. He goes on the shit like, yo, you wildin'.
Yo,
why don't you tell me about this shit beforehand?
Takashi's in a cell reading the shit like, damn, this nigga
wildin'. But then people were just like, this came out before they got killed.
Oh.
So I'm like, so it's just premeditated.
So now you're in more trouble.
This nigga was masturbated to the idea of killing his friends.
Oh my God.
And then I thought about it, I was like, do I have any friends that could possibly kill me? I don't think so. I mean, they would have done it by now.
Yeah.
I was like, would I kill Mero? I was like, that seems like a lot of work.
Yeah. It's when you kill,
because if I kill you,
just kill motherfuckers.
Yeah, if you just end up murdered mysteriously one day, the two number one suspects are Heather and me.
Yeah. Off top. Like, you know what I'm saying? So then it's
no, excuse me.
Yeah, you know, it would be me.
Yeah,
I'd be the prime suspect.
Two-gun Judy out here.
Would you want to do that to your own mother-in-law?
Would you want to do that? Yeah.
Would you want to do that to your own mother-in-law?
2 guns up.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah. So what? I killed you. You deserved it.
Everywhere we go,
people want to know
our
who we are.
synagogue.
Yeah. So we tell them.
Mighty Shiva.
Yeah. Mighty Shiva. And listen, you goyams. Stay in your fucking lanes.
Talk that talk, Judy.
That's right. I talk that.
Boss talk.
That's right. I talk that stick talk.
Stick talk.
That's right.
And by stick talk, she means like the big long branch. You get a pier one. That's like $80.
It's beautiful. It's decorative.
It's reclaimed seawood.
Yes, it's reclaimed driftwood. It looks beautiful in the yard. It's just amazing for the feng shui.
Well, Judy going to fuck you. Boy.
She's going to do it sneaky too. She's going to like loosen the hammock and shit. So when I get like wild smack, then I try to lay in the hammock.
You, have you tagged in like a garage and just be playing all the episodes back to back. Like, yo, that's how you really feel?
Remember that?
Remember that,
motherfucker?
Remember that? Huh? Yeah. Enjoy that. It's been episode 147. Another one.
Yeah.
You know what it is. Easy to do.
Easy money. No.
Straight layups. We see you in the corner. Hey.
What's poppin'?
Yo, it's been your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyria. Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. Yeah. Chris Asper Sling Dick. That's right. We're keeping that. It's not going anywhere.
No.
Okay, you lost a lot. Did you see the Knicks are so petty they got rid of Latvian History Night? Latvian Heritage Night? Yeah. Chris Stapps.
Yo,
Guess you're dead to the organization.
I mean, listen.
They used to sell pierogies that night. It was lit.
Wow. Damn.
When is Jamaican Heritage Night? Oh, there's no Jamaican. They didn't even have that rapatriation.
That was fuck. And
they could have like cassava.
I'm glad you brought that up.
Hot ass soup.
You know what I'm saying?
Just be in there like.
You know what I mean?
Yes, rebound.
Yo, rebound. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
They get like fucking yam down the
shirt. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, let me get 2 ginger beers.
Let me get some, you got watercress? Eli Lippy, Butcher Bulgari, Slumber that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Rorando.
That's right.
Mil Noventa Neventa, Quattro in Nueva York.
Oh, goddamn.
Mikkel going off the Juve boss. MC looking putting up for 40 with your shorty.
Straight up.
Don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. Hey, Judy asked me to bust my gun.
I'm gonna do
My
it.
gun bust. You know, I keep that knish on me. Jermaine Avocados, if we get people, we want Jewish teenagers to start calling guns knishes.
Yeah. Yo, oh,
you know,
yeah.
I keep that knish on me.
Oh, yeah. Jewish Bodega have. They keep that knish.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
Young Pa, the Gusu Mufasa, Young Chakuni, the Kunari, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees,
Hey, papi, estamos lindo. We going to Diamond tonight?
Two Phone Jones, Zizek, Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute.
Yeah.
You see Dr. Bonner's label was like legalized drugs on the Twitter account?
Wow.
We stand awoke so. Yes. When's the last time you seen, what'd you call it? The fucking Irish Spring doing that shit?
Nah.
Oh, Irish Spring. All right, relax.
Okay.
Relax. We're not all trying to smell like leprechauns. Like,
Fam,
what is this?
Chill.
What the fuck is this?
Also, that shit is... That's wild jail soap, nigga.
Okay.
That's jail soap.
Take your skin right off.
You wash your ass with that shit, your ass be stinging for 10 hours.
Yo.
Fuck out of here.
And then they got the lie. You're not fully clean. No, that's Zest.
Zest
on some other
fully
shit.
clean, yeah.
They be
I
having
don't know
like,
what to put
I don't
that
know.
shit. Yeah.
That should be. They be doing a little too much with their soap. Like,
Papi,
just wash me, man.
You wash yourself with that, you know what happened. I'm gonna say it, but it's what happened when I do that is can I say because you tell me this who called me. He told me I cannot say the word Mari.
Listen, Mero's father, please stop.
Okay,
Mero's father, please stop. You are going to ruin that Showtime deal.
Sorry, I apologize.
Just get your show on InfoWars like everyone else.
Okay, está bien, papi.
Hey, Mr. 240p, like my Pinot Blurry. And by Pinot Blurry, I mean when you click on the name of the performer, nothing comes up.
Yeah.
Because it was 10 years ago.
That's right.
She got a real job now. She's a real estate agent in Iowa. She got to GoFundMe to get a new car.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listen to Watch FM. Woo. And because, in honor of Jew Gang and the big homie Judy, we got one of the biggest Jew rap gangs ever. You know what it is. Third Base. Here's the thing. Katie, Third Base was going wild hard at MC Hammer.
Fam. Chill. Chill.
I'm just saying.
Chill. He's from the butt.
Okay, just like
he's
you know what I'm saying?
He's about that town.
All
business.
I'm saying, at one point in history, Third Base was at the barbecue making a very heavy plate. And people were asking who invited them. That's all I'm saying. The Curry Goat, Diesel Spicy, Jamal Hashburn.
Yo.
Woo! The Bronx Celine Dion, My Heart Will Go On. Ray Nephew's Nephew, the Marina, You Can't Contain No. The Human Meme, Where the Job, Aaron, The Racing Provocateur, Hedwig Bloodcoats. I'm blocking all that shit, nigga.
Yeah.
Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir. That's right. Nigga, I'll bring a Nintendo Switch into Rikers Island. Don't ask how.
That's right.
You give me a word that's melting in your mouth. Nigga, just intake like, yo. I gotta see the judge.
Yo.
Gotta see, nigga walking around the cell like,
You just hear, woo, woo. Mario in your ass.
Nigga like, yo, CO, like, I can't be in this cell much longer.
Yo.
Nigga like, Yo, Your Honor, Woo.
Yo.
Niggas just sweating and shit like,
oh, shit. God damn.
yo, like, legally, I gotta see him in 24 hours after I've been booked.
Man,
'Cause,
yo, damn. Yo, listen.
yo, whose ass is playing weed music?
Yo. Man, oh, shit. There's a meat parade in my colon right now.
Mr. Bex, our secretary, Niggas King Squavi, Greg Popovich, More Central Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not making me better the cucumber. Did you suppress?
No.
But your boy never is.
Yeah.
Also, I'm not like $9 a bottle. What the
Nah.
fuck? Who got money like that?
Nah.
If you have money like that, you drink like that, you're not gonna have money like that.
That's right.
Because as Steve Harvey, the GOAT, said, the best thing you could do for poor people is not be one of them.
To this day.
That sounds like something you say at a graduation and never get invited back. Like, what kind of fucking pull your bootstraps up cool shit is that?
Yo, fam. Him and Monique need their own show. Like that's the Netflix show that's gonna get $50 million.
That's like passing a homeless person and giving them resume paper and be like, "You're welcome.
You're welcome, asshole."
Yeah. You know what to do. Take it from here. I gave you a head up. More say chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
Woo.
I am the art, damn it.
God damn.
I am the art, damn it.
Damn.
The Dundada Ganoush. That sounds like me every time I'm in a network meeting beefing. I am the art, damn it.
Oh shit.
No, that's how they reply with the crickets.
They're like, security. We're gonna,
Get these out of here.
We have a situation up here.
Where's my show? Where the fuck is my
This
show?
motherfucker's wilding. He's wilding. He's
man.
out of control. He's out of control.
The Dundada Ganoush, no one cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. Oh, Casanova. We make cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1.
What you want?
Forget
What
the
you
small
need?
change. Take the small change, put it in the change
Put
jar
it
right by the
away,
register.
because you need what? What you need? Big money.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset,
That's right.
Sovereign Citizen.
You know what I mean?
Listen, the Star Spangled Banner does not slap.
Shit is whack.
Shit don't got no bass.
Shit's trash.
You could like square dance to that shit, I guess.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like a rock is red good. Get out of here, nigga.
Fuck out of here.
What was the last time you was in a car and someone was like, pass me the aux cord and they put on Star Spangled Banner?
You know what I would say?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Absolutely.
That's
This
right.
is Soccer Catch Me at Square One top left. They're gonna be like, well, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez's friends hate America. So?
So what?
Nah, we kidding. We love America.
America's chill.
It's cool.
It's all right.
It's like, I don't know what scale of 1 to 10. What are you giving America? What are you giving America?
I mean, like 6.5. Like,
Oh,
seven.
I give it like a 4.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Like we don't have like dengue and shit, but it should be pretty fucked up.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
like that's what tips me over below average. It's
I
like
feel like
plumbing and like
Both of us would have really good existences in like DR and Jamaica. I'd have like 4 families.
Oh my God, fam! I'd have 6 houses.
Yeah.
16 like Volvos.
I'd be the governor because I have direct TV.
Oh my God, bro! I'd be whipping a Range Rover on the wrong steering wheel on the other side.
It'd be a national scandal because I have a rice cooker.
Man.
Shit, y'all not ready
Oh,
for
y'all
me.
never seen an air fryer?
What? Oh, he has a fry daddy. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left. Man, this is
Yo,
Mars.
don't cheese me, bro. Yo.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. I don't
right.
count checks anymore. I just look at Cash App notifications. You know what it is.
Cha-ching.
Smokeem, no, I'm no longer with the Knicks, so I have free time to smoke weed and working on my gym shot.
Hey.
Andrew Coonan,
Hey.
the coolest serial killer you'll ever meet.
That's right.
Also, he did all that in like a week. Like Ted Bundy was like all over the place.
Yeah.
Andrew Cunanan was focused.
Very efficient.
Okay.
Very efficient.
All right, he was the Marie Kondo of serial killers.
That's right.
Does it spark joy? AK, the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charger.
Yo, sit pon it.
Right,
One
that's
pon
right.
it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
Woo.
National Westminster Dog Show. Next year's host, right here. We bring our own pit bulls.
You know what I'm
What's up?
saying?
I'm gonna have like mad Vienna sausages in my pockets for the dogs, like distracting them and shit.
Come through a brownie shirt. She eating backwood guts and shit. Like
The dogs are running around like mad combos full out my pocket, distract them. I'm like, oh, that's my lunch.
oh, sorry.
The topic of gossip and Syasa. Shout out to
Yeah.
11791. Yeah.
That's right.
AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, see me, don't touch that golden ticket.
Nah.
And I'm going back in bed and get some bed sores. Your man Dead IDs is more than sheriff. Don't mind me if I steal some cutlery and Target. Yeah. The black Asiatic crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. Marina, Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and cold demeanor. AK the She Mask Killer.
Oh, no one could get it.
No one could get it. Not for nothing. I ordered 30 Korean sheet masks on Amazon. Got them
good.
for like $20.
They're good.
They're perfect for after you take the makeup off on the set.
They absolutely are.
Because the makeup lady keeps saying we have flawless skin. Wonder Twins.
Yeah.
Wonder Twins, nigga.
Fusion dance, fusion dance, fusion dance.
So we got to keep our
You know what I'm
flawless
saying?
skin going.
You know what I'm saying?
Why do we have such good skin?
I don't know.
I don't know. I you know.
Listen.
I mean, I think it's my marijuana and Bex diet.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so too. Yeah,
Okay.
I drink a lot of iced tea and I smoke copious amounts of weed and backwoods. You know
That'll
what I'm
do
saying? The Russian, it's a Russian cream backwoods. They're mad good for you. They're
very healthy.
Yeah, they make your skin look like porcelain.
AKA your problematic bae. Listen, if that place does taxes, they could also do a daycare.
That's
So,
right.
just
What's
drop your kids
poppin'?
off.
And make pizza too. Why not? They got an oven in the back. Why
Okay.
not?
Up next,
It's your boy.
give it up for whom?
Your boy. The motherfucking Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct 5, aka Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying?
Dab.
Niggas been out the league, but he's on NFL Network giving astute observations about shit. You know what I'm saying? Aka Curve got it, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking long hair Dasha and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. You know what I'm saying? Call Pete, I don't care, nigga. I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got a movie with Master P going out. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I was supposed to be the genie in Aladdin, but Will Smith showed up to audition in Blueface. And I'm not talking about the Tatiana nigga either. You know what I'm saying?
Tatiana.
Hey, bust it down, bust it down, bust it down. I'm rap off beat and beat popping. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dab Bath. You know what I'm saying?
Dab on
Hit
them.
Dab on these bitches. You know what I'm saying? AKA again to the shmoney and the schmonk. It's your boy Goldman. Schmacked. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bit Smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? AKA I had Victor negotiate Mero Jr. $100K for a club walkthrough because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Club walk.
You know what I mean? AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your baby Mutombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. What this pussy belong to me. That's it. AKA David Trisdale, nigga, pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. Leave it at an undisclosed location and report it stolen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's probably a felony.
It's the wild felony scam, and I just admitted to it on TV there on some Takashi shit. Yeah.
You're going to jail.
AKA the Dominican Indictment Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it.
Swipe
Don't make me embarrassed
embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask for selfies, and they got framed posters for me to sign, and they're asking me where's Desus, okay? Jeremy, you know what I'm saying? You like your little fucking stupid little Trader Joe's cashier job? Huh? You like your little Trader Joe's cashier job, motherfucker? Then put the frozen fettuccine in the bag and keep it fucking moving, bro. Stop asking me fucking questions, bro.
Damn, Jeremy.
Fuck Jeremy, yo.
Yes, fuck Jeremy.
Jeremy, asshole, I'ma fuck you up in the
Is Jeremy a real person?
I don't even know.
Oh, wow. The next episode, Judy's going to hire Jeremy.
Jeremy as a hitman? Oh,
wow.
shit.
You in trouble now.
Yo, okay, Romeo Santos. So Zanny, tu favorito, mami. Let me black out. Yo, I'll put your abuelita's titty in my mouth on stage, nigga. I'm so nasty. Okay, let no touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five.
Not even got five.
Niggas got five, bro.
Is weed even? Where's weed $5 nowadays?
No, it's nowhere.
Like when you go to LA, I don't know what recreational. Recreational weed is the wild scam because if you're buying recreational weed, that means you're like, yo, I just need weed. I just need weed. I just landed. I just need weed. So they'd be like, yo, one nugget $75. I was like, is that you guys take cash?
Is that
all right,
normal?
cool. Fuck it.
Fuck it. We can
Fuck that medicinal shit. They just make up shit.
Like, yo.
They be like, yo, for $100, I will smoke this blunt and blow the smoke in your face. I was like,
oh, is that a new way to do it?
You have an ATM?
Let's get it.
Let's go.
AKA Tom Brady, got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? I unfairly won another championship in the most boring Super Bowl ever. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man, consensually.
Unlike the person's name.
You know what I'm saying? Unlike the president. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. You know what I'm saying? You want to see a nigga tap out on the fucking Instagram Live? I'm your man. You know what I'm saying?
First man to almost die on Instagram Live.
That's right. You heard?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
He's the Babe Ruth of near-death experiences.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Beddingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Have Pio come over and flip the coal on the motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will surgically attach a tongue to your tongue so you can properly roll your R's when Desus and Mero debuts and you say to yourself, oh, you know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet because you know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lioness, nigga, man. Listen, baby, man. I was just trying out heroin, man. I have no intention of doing this long term, man. Come on, nah. Yeah, you won't be saying that when your guts are hurting, you asshole. I know. I went down that path too one day. And look at me now. Begging Julio to touch his penis for a hot bag. And he's saying no because he's what Mero's dad said. I can't repeat it because we're trying to sell this for monetize this whole thing. AKA baby new 425 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown should have caught it down. AKA live from Western Beef performing all his hits between nods. It's the Ishima Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love gave me HPV. You know what I'm saying? AKA straight from across the pond, mate. The Bodega Boys are the only two rock stars left on earth. 50% of it is on. The plantain souping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Love the song. With a hot bag that I got from Julio. Damn, Julio's doing numbers out here.
He's doing numbers out here, man.
Woo, goddamn.
You gotta get a Sky Pager.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
And we're gonna go watch
To this
Green
day.
To this day. We're gonna watch.
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna watch Green Book together as a family.
I made fried chicken for you guys.
Yeah.
I saw the scene.
I heard you like that. I sliced up some watermelon for you too. AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, getting washed at Rocket League by his kid. It's Barmelos Anthony.
4-3. Hey.
Damn.
Damn.
Damn, no respect.
Took me a while to find that. It was
Mellow
like
to God.
Took me a while to find that button. It was like the clip.
Hey, listen, man. If you see me at Target with my eyes redder than Michael Jordan at the Bellagio at a blackjack table, tasting a Glade plug-in because it smells like now laters, approach me like a motherfucker Ursa Mammal nigga because I'm gonna react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. Yeah, I'll show up to your kid's party late. And for my grand finale, I will urinate on my clown suit that I have to return to Frank B's on Trema. AKA, I sold fake lean to his favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of champagne cola and Murphy's oil soap, and he's about to drop some whack shit right now that you're about to go hammer over. AKA, Hasan. Ya tú sabes que lo que tiene una pista, coño. Llega el hit de FIFA, coño. Aquí frenando con Flow Versace. Destapando más botella con daycare. Mambo huevo, llega el flow que yo estoy en el 2020. Y tú estás atrás como un fucking mofle, mamá huevo. La envidia no mata, pero mortifica. Muérete al pasito, caco de vacinilla. Toma 20 para que le eche gasolina en tu pasola y ruede palomo. Shout out a Showtime. Shout out a Cash App. Y como siempre, shout out a Lost Me. Shout out a Hasan Insane. Shout out Basti, Judy, Dímelo, Bloquete, toda la gente. Hasan, párale ahí. Quédale ahí. Que me quieren chapear. Y estoy en TNC ahora. Nos fuimos. Ya. Me quité. Hala.
What he said. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. February 21st, Thursday. You know what it is. No more show, a late night return.
Me?
And someone just pointed out to our attention, investor relations for CBS Corporations just let out their growth strategy for the last week. Oh. And apparently, in quarter two, Showtime had 25.3 million subscriptions.
Oh, wow.
Desus and Mero was announced. Quarter three, Showtime has 26.1 million subscriptions.
Oh, look at that.
The brand is what?
Oh, the brand is
That's right. Sucks on y'all niggas. Ah!
You see that W? You see that W?
Coming back.
You see that W? We gonna eat that W.
Never lost. Never lost.
Never lost.
You know what it is? The brand's undefeated.
To this day.
Motherfucker.
We out.
Yeah, holla. They paying.